Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Excel Book. This tutorial is about use of filter in MS Excel. Filter in MS Excel is widely used when there is a large chunk of data in a worksheet. Through filter, you can narrow down the data you want to see as per the rules established. In our example, we have large chunk of economics data with countries, economic indicators and their respective data for years. As you can see, data go on for more than 1100 rows. As per our requirement, we are required to extract data from some South Asian countries. We can do the same through Excel filter. As per best practices, to add a filter to a table array, we must select the whole table array. Then we go to the ribbon Data and click on Filter here. You can also use shortcut Alt plus A plus T. You can see a sign has appeared in the corner of each cell heading in the table. This is filter sign. When clicked on the same, you will see a filter table appearing in front of your screen. Now we will select our required South Asian countries from column B. We will click on filter sign in cell B3 and we will see filter table appearing. We will then click on select all, which will unselect all the countries. And then one by one we will click on the list of our countries, which are Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, India, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. You can see on your screen data has been narrowed down for the countries we have selected. Further, data of other countries are now hidden after the use of filter functionality. Now, I want to further narrow the data and see inflation of each of the countries selected to compare every country with a single economic indicator. We will click on filter of cell C3 and select inflation end of period consumer prices. You can see we have data for all the countries for comparison. As of now, let us color the data. You can further use filter to see data in ascending or descending order for a particular year. For instance, let us click on filter for year 2016. Click on the filter in cell G3 and click on the first option, sort smallest to the largest. The data will appear from smallest to the largest value. Vice versa, on clicking sort largest to the smallest, we will get largest value first and smallest value later. Further, we can use the option number filter, where we have some options to further segregate data. You can see number of options at your screen. Here, we are going to explain basic three options: greater than, less than and between. Clicking on greater than will give us a table on the screen where we can insert an option which will give us data above the number selected. For example, let us select data greater than value 3. After applying the filter, we'll get data with values more than 3. Similarly, less than works, inserting data less than value 3, and we will get data with values less than 3. And for between, we can insert a minimum and a maximum value and we will get data between the same. For instance, let us insert value between 2 and 5 and we will get data between 2 and 5. Finally, the data that you have narrowed down, you can copy and paste the same in another tab. You can see only filtered data has been copied and the data in hidden rows have not been copied. Now, if we need to work on data of other countries, we will remove the filter. Now, if we need the same data back again, we can click on filter sign, go to option sort by color and select the option. We will get our filter selection back. So that's it for today's session for use of filter in MS Excel. If you find this session knowledgeable, then like this video, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any query, then write the same in comment section below. Thanks for watching.